What's up, YouTube? LeSean back with another video. Today I have a, what year is this, bro?
2018.
I have a 2018 Scat-Pack Charger, and we're gonna do a quick review. And this is my boy Leo,
What's going on, man?
current owner of the Scat-Pack. You wanna tell us a little something about this, bro?
Alright, so this car has a 6.4 liter V8, makes 485 horsepower to the crank. It's kind of a lot. You can feel your tires with that.
Yep.
Not good in the winter though. I have some Nittos. I have some NT 555, or I think these are Gen 2s. In the back, and then the fronts I just have the stock all season tires.
So the rear tires are aftermarket.
The rear tires are aftermarket. That's because that's rear wheel drive. For mods, I only have a muffler delete. You don't really need to do much. This car has plenty of power.
Yep.
But I mean, once you get bored, you can just do the bottom end, put a supercharger on it, turbo it. You can do whatever you want with this thing. Other than that, yeah, this car is pretty much stock.
Yep. It looks
a little
pretty
dirty, but
Yep, it looks pretty good, bro. So how about we hop in the interior, show that for a little bit, and then probably show the engine compartments. All right, so for the interior, this is just a regular cloth interior. It's not like a performance.
No, it's not, nope.
Okay,
it's regular cloth interior, the B logo.
Yep, see that Scat-Pack logo. There you go, the dash. If you take a seat in here, you have that well-known 8.4 Uconnect with nav.
Yeah, that thing is amazing.
And it also has, what's that new technology? Apple CarPlay. Yes, it has Apple CarPlay.
Android Auto.
Yep.
Great.
So you have a full leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8-speed automatic with the paddle shifters right here. And that's pretty much what you get in the interior. It looks pretty good, smells pretty good. Take a quick walk around. Do you know the dimensions of the wheels, like the size?
So
is it
the
a
back is 295 40/20, and the fronts, like I said, they're stock 275 40/20s.
Okay, so
the plan for the wheels, the plan is to get replica wheels on the back, so
Yep.
I can get some widers on, because as you can see, this is kind of bulging out.
Yeah.
Because these aren't made for a 9.5-inch rim.
Yeah.
So the plan is to get some replicas on the back and then just have a spare.
Yeah.
Wheels, I guess.
But I mean, I kind of like that look where the wheel sticks out a little bit. It looks
so
good.
That's why I got to do the same on the front.
Yeah. I mean, the front isn't that bad either. It looks perfect how it is. Like did you lower it at all, the car?
No, so the car's on stock Scat-Pack.
Oh, okay.
That's when you can tell it's a V6 or a 5.7 from a Scat-Pack.
Yeah.
That riding height.
Yep.
Much lower.
Yeah, so with this car, you got the 392 Hemi. 392 means that basically the engine is 392 cubic inches. That's just engine dimensions and numbers and stuff like that. So any Scat-Pack Charger or Challenger you get, you're gonna see that red 392 Hemi. So it's a Hemi engine, but it's a little bit bigger displacement, a little bit more power. And what about the brakes? What are those?
So this car has the dynamic package. That's why it actually comes with the Hellcat wheels.
Okay.
So what that means, it has 6-piston Brembo brakes in the front, and then the 4 pistons in the back.
Okay.
As you can see, they're pretty massive.
Yep.
I got new brakes that actually came in last week that I'm going to get installed, so that should be nice.
Okay.
I'm going to get them painted actually to match the Hemi, the 392 actually.
So you're gonna paint the brake calipers?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that would look pretty good.
And then I'm going to get the wheels powder coated black.
Black. Okay. So you don't like the regular color that it is now?
Like as you can see, the dust.
Yeah, brake
so
dust.
Crazy.
Yeah, look at all that brake dust.
So, especially on the front.
Yeah. Yeah, I think these cars look so good. Like, let's look at that. So here you have that 6.4 liter V8, 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. Nothing better than the sound of this engine, or the exhaust in other words. So this is a brand new car still, pretty much. It's a 2018, you said, right? Yep. Did you see the little changes they made for like the 2019 model year?
So the 2019 have the snorkels.
Yeah.
I kind of want to get. They look mean as hell.
I think this one looks better, to be honest.
You think it looks better?
For some, without those little nostrils, I think this car looks better.
I also want to get rid of the fog lights.
Yeah.
And just put the vents in, like the Hellcats.
Yep.
If you notice, it's like the one difference.
Yep. Overall, the car is great. Like, I would like, one of my friends wants to get the that new C8 Corvette.
C8.
He's in the military right now, and he wants to get it when he comes out. But I'm like, if I were you, bro, I would just get me a nice little Scat-Pack.
Oh, yeah.
That engine is, and the transmission in this car is
Oh, it's
great
amazing.
too. 8-speed.
My Camaro, dude, this thing is, it shifts so
Yeah.
quick, so smooth.
Something about Chevy's transmissions, they don't really.
They're so bad.
Yeah, especially like in the Z06 Corvette. Oh
the
my
Z06
goodness.
and the Camaro transmission, they have the shutter issue.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's something about a torque converter. I'm not too
Yeah,
sure what
torque
that
converter.
is.
You can get an aftermarket one, and they'll actually install it for you under warranty.
Yep.
Which is nice, but come on, inside of the factory, it's a brand new car.
Yeah. But otherwise, those cars are all great. It's just the transmission.
Yep.
That's why I really like Dodge. Like they really did something great with this. You know. And there's the back end. Anytime you see that red light strip, just know it's trouble. Pretty much.
I also B-badge the back usually. On 2018 models,
Yeah.
they would have the RT on there.
Yeah.
But I don't want people thinking it's a 5.7.
Oh
so I
yeah.
just took it
Oh,
off.
so you debadged
The
it.
2019s do come with the B now, so I'm gonna put that on.
The
there.
Super B badge?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, that's smooth.
Yep.
So do you want to start it up and give it a few revs? Thing sounds amazing. Oh man. So all you did was a muffler delete.
A mid muffler delete. Yep.
Yeah, even on a Hellcat, just a simple
Oh my God.
muffler delete
that's
is.
That's like the go-to when you buy a Hemi.
Yep.
It's a muffler.
Bro, the day I get my hands on one of these cars, oh my goodness. I think I would get it in the same spec.
This is the perfect spec.
Yep, I love black and I love white with black contrast. It just, I just think it's the best.
Yeah, I'm
the
gonna
best.
get ceramic coated soon, so
Yeah.
it won't be dirty all the time.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it. It's like cold to wash the car.
Yeah.
That's why it's dirty. So I wash
I always wondered, how do you really wash a car that has like a ceramic coat or like a
Just-
PFP on it?
You can just wash it.
You just
normally.
wash
Yeah,
it normal.
yeah,
So you don't take it to a car wash. Do you
No,
just?
no.
Oh,
I
okay.
mean, you can take it to a car wash because it has a ceramic coating.
Yeah.
Usually you don't want to take it through a car wash because it like strips the paint because there's rocks hanging off from the previous car.
Yeah.
Just don't do it. Just do it yourself.
Yep. So, well, my question is answered. Let me sit in the interior, show you what the gauges look like on. This is pretty much what it looks like. The U-Connect. It looks pretty good. So there you have it. This is my review of the 2018 Scat-Pack Charger. Beautiful car. And you also have a YouTube channel. Do you want to?
You want to? Leo392. You can find me on YouTube.
Yep.
You can also follow me on Instagram, which is Leo_CAD.
Yep.
Make sure you check out my newest YouTube video. Hit that like, subscribe, and check out my boy Leishon.
Yep. So yeah, give him a follow. Check out his Instagram. We're all just trying to grow in the car community.
Trying to bring a mass car community
Yep.
on the radar, man. It's all always West Coast.
Yep. Car lifestyle or go home.
Yep.
So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you want, share, and thank you for watching.